Namaste. The summer is very harsh, going to be harsher. To solve the problems that we encounter in the summer, please take a coconut, break it into two halves. One half, grate it, put it in the mixie, add 500 ml of water, grind it well, put it in a muslin cloth, squeeze milk out of it, put the milk in a mud pot, add 2 more liters of water, keep the mud pot on a wet sand for 1 or 2 hours. Then drink this 300 to 400 ml of cold diluted coconut milk daily, at least 5 days in a week throughout the summer. You will be better off.